we are less than 24 hours away from what I believe, I'm like 99% certain that this is going to be a 2026 Ram TRX. But what if I told you I've got some conflicting reports by some of my sources that tell me that this right here might not even be a TRX at all, that this right here could be maybe a diesel truck. So I want to go over all the reveals that Ram has done, because they put out a few teasers and they also put out some social media posts that is very, very interesting, that could be key to determine what this vehicle actually is. So I want to talk about all the clues, all the teasers, and even some comments that some prominent people have left on some of these social media pages to kind of get an idea of what this truck actually is. And we're going to talk about all of this right now. Okay, well, over 54,000 friends, and the 58% of you guys who watch these videos have not subscribed to the channel yet. Let's go down the rabbit hole and let's see all the evidence that supports that this right here is a 2026 Ram TRX. Now, I've told you guys in plenty of videos that it was leaked by Antonio Filosa, the Stellantis CEO, that the Ram TRX is in fact coming back. It will happen, and I believe it got delayed just because of the fact of what Tim Kuniskis had told reporters back in the summertime when they brought back the Ram 1500. He said that they had to go and do some reconfiguration to the electrical architecture because that new architecture was never set up to run Hemi V8 engines. So they was able to go and get that actually work for the 5.7 Hemi engine, but I believe because of the Hellcat's changes and differences between that and the 5.7 Hemi, that it took probably longer for them to get it to work for Ram. So that's another reason why I believe the TRX was delayed, and that's why we have not seen it before now. Now, another piece of information that I know that this truck is actually going to be coming, a TRX is coming, is the fact that I've had reports from people that I've used these sources for the past 5-6 years. When the original TRX came out, these were the same sources that gave me information in the background and gave me photos behind the scenes of TRXs going down the assembly line. So these were the same sources that told me that they have seen Ram 1500s, like the RHO bodies, having the Hellcat engine, basically the Hellcat engine with the orange block, the same one that was in the previous generation TRX. They were going inside of brand new RHO bodies, and Ram was putting all the RHO logos on those trucks. And I showed you in the video the pictures of the exact two trucks that was having Hellcat engines in them. Now, I know for a fact, because I've used these sources for 5 years, that Ram is in fact actively testing TRXs. They just got them disguised as RHOs, but I know for a fact that that is happening. I told you guys around SEMA about a month ago that I've had dealers telling me that Ram has did like a meeting with them and told them that there's going to be stage kits for the TRX that's going to get revealed. Now, the reveal was supposed to happen around SEMA, but for some reason it got delayed. So I don't know why it got delayed, but I do know for a fact that dealers were told, because I had multiple ones tell me, that the TRX will have stage kits when it comes back. So there's plenty of evidence right there that yes, there is actually a TRX coming. It's just a question of when exactly will it happen. Then I showed you guys in another video where Tim Kuniskis was talking to Chris Jacobs, and he was telling you guys that Ram's gonna have a very epic reveal, and that it's gonna top the reveals of the 2018 Demon and the 2023 Demon 170. So to me, honestly, I don't see there being another truck in Ram's lineup that deserves a reveal better than the Demon 170, than the Ram TRX. The Ram TRX's reveal was awesome. That was like one of the best videos I've seen. And that was one of the main reasons why I bought that truck so fast. I love that reveal they had with the Sandman and in the desert and stuff. And you see why that kind of connects to these new reveals in a second when I talk about it. But the Ram TRX definitely deserves to basically return as the king, which it was before it got discontinued. Now, Ram has shown little snippets and reveals here and there where they give you a little piece of information that kind of hints that it is for the TRX, but then there are the audio cues about the videos that basically show you that maybe this is not a TRX at all. Maybe this is another off-road based truck, but maybe it does not have the 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine inside that truck. Now, I say that because if you go let's look at the text first of why this supports that this is going to be a Ram TRX. Now, if you look at the text of this one teaser right here, it says that the power is going to be reborn. Now, back in 2020, when Ram introduced the Ram TRX. They basically had in there, the actual video deleted off of their YouTube channel, but I have a picture of it, and it basically says that the power has shifted. So when that was something they talked about the TRX back in 2020 when it first came out, and now in this new teaser video from Ram states that the power has been reborn. So to me, that is just a clear sign that this video on this text clearly refers back to the TRX. And also you have all the visuals in there of all the sand and stuff. Like the TRX's initial reveal, that was all about being in the desert, being in the sand. And that's plenty of, let's say, coincidences to me that these teaser reveals are pointing towards a new TRX. Now, it kind of throws me off a little bit, the audio cues, but I'll get to that in a second. But then you have this little teaser right here that Ram did. And if you go to about the 7 to 8 second mark, now I'm going to basically slow it down and zoom in a little bit. In this teaser video right here, you can kind of see like a rock turning into like a Tyrannosaurus Rex shaped rock. And it's like dancing right there in the background, shaking and stuff. So you have all these clues and all these little teaser videos that Ram's put out there that's kind of throwing you towards that this is going to be a TRX, right? I mean, you have on one video that's called Apex, and Apex was a word that Stellantis used in the 2021 TRX's press release. They called it the Apex Predator. So you have all these little keywords hinting to the TRX, the Apex I just told you guys about, the previous Ram video that says that the power has shifted, and now in the video saying the power is being reborn. I mean, you have a situation where like, if you go and actually look on the YouTube page for Ram trucks, you look at that top little picture they have on there, you see those same little circles and stuff, and see a little truck right there in the picture doing a donut in the desert, just like how we've seen in videos and stuff of Ram doing the exact same thing with the Ram TRX. So, I mean, there's plenty of clues to point that this is being the actual vehicle is going to be released. And then if you go look on Ram's Instagram page, you see that Heavy D Sparks has also commented that he's very interested in one of the reveals. And I told you guys in the previous video that he was involved in one of the commercials, because I showed you guys that how he had a video on his Instagram page with him and Tim Kuniskis going out into the desert, and then they was doing some crazy special stuff that they have not shown any pictures of, any videos of since like the beginning of November. So that's like 60 days later, they have showed 0 social media posts or videos about what they did out in the desert. So I fully believe that for this reveal, we're going to see a TRX and his Black Hawk helicopter, and probably some crazy stuff that's supposed to be topping the 2018 Demon reveal and the 2023 Demon reveal that Tim Kuniskis said to Chris Jacobs at SEMA. And I hope that this is going to be the case. I know there's a few people out there trying to kind of like throw you down like a different road. This might be something different. Like even one of my sources told me something totally different, that this reveal could be maybe a diesel truck, but none of the actual clips kind of basically point me to there being an actual diesel truck reveal. Maybe there's a diesel truck going to be introduced too. Maybe it's going to be a off-road truck TRX, and then maybe a diesel variant of that maybe coming too, which would probably be pretty cool. But I mean, I think all signs still show this going to be an actual Ram TRX reveal. We know it's coming. There should be no reason why it's not going to return. Dealers have told me that, yeah, they've been told by Ram that they're going to release stage kits for it and stuff. I've had people within the UAW tell me that, yeah, they have built Ram truck mules with Hellcat engines that was bodied as RHOs. So I think all the signs are pointing for there to be a TRX based truck. I mean, there could be a diesel truck that might be revealed as well too. I mean, none of my sources, I mean, they don't build diesel trucks here in America. So that was something that would be happening, like, getting built down there in Mexico, which is probably why no one really has any information if that is actually going to be the case. But I think this is just a clear kind of like, we could get 2 trucks, but I think this is clearly just, a couple different things around trying to throw people off, because they have kind of gotten to the point over the last few months where they kind of tightened down on leaks. I still get leaks, but it's not like I've forgotten as much leaks as I've gotten before. And a lot of them are usually pretty certain about stuff. They crack down on, like Ram and Dodge crack down what they tell dealers and stuff. They kind of crack down what they told other people, but I still get information here and there. And I pretty much 99% certain that we're going to see a Ram TRX. I mean, we're only less than 24 hours away, and I think that's just what we're going to basically see. I don't really see any other truck. All the video clips, I mean, they kind of throw you off that it's a TRX, but nothing really out there kind of screams that this is a different truck. I mean, I would love to see maybe a 392 Ram TRX, that basically be a cheaper alternative than the actual RHO. And now the RHO is like $76,000. And I told you guys in previous videos that the engine for the 392 and the Hurricane RHO, that particular engine, they got about $3,000 or $4,000 in price difference. So I would love to see like a $69,000 392 TRX, maybe basically like a baby TRX that's cheaper than the RHO. I think that'd be pretty cool, because that one clip I told you guys, it sounds like it could sound like a freaking 392 Hemi, but we just had to wait and see. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. Do you guys think this is going to be a Ram TRX reveal? Do you guys think it's going to be supercharged, maybe turbocharged? Or could we actually be seeing the reveal of a 392 Ram TRX? Or could we see a diesel truck? I don't know, but I'm 99% certain that this is going to be a Ram TRX at the end of the day. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. But in the comment section down below. And if you want to check out the video that I just did about this new Ram truck that is coming, that my sources told me is coming in the next 45 days, you can check out this video right here. And until the next time, I am out.